toddlers.
We took a trip into the town with buildings tall and taxis brown. Circle wheels rolled down the street, spinning fast beneath our feet. Squares in windows, signs and doors, painted bright on city floors. We saw a square on a pancake shop, and one that marked the ice cream stop. Triangles on rooftops high, pointing proudly to the sky. Some were red and some were blue, one on a tower that peeked right through. Rectangles were everywhere, on buses, benches, even a chair. We found them on a sandwich stand, and signs held by a marching band. We spotted stars on a movie wall, and hearts painted near the mall. The city's full of shapes to find, just